Hello everyone, my name is Malika with Rainy Day Craftz, and today I will be showing you how I made this Dango dry shaker. And it's also a little bit of Relikuma themed. There it goes at the bottom. But let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and get all of your resin ready. I'm using this light cure UV resin in the shade white. It's kind of like a milky white. And then I'm putting in some green pigment, some white pigment just to make it more opaque. And then on the next cup, I'll be putting in just regular white pigment just to, make it opaque again. And then on the last one, I'm putting in pink and white. So there I am putting in the pink, and you're just gonna mix it all up. And after all of that is done, you can go ahead and grab your mold. And I'm just going to be putting in a nice thin layer on the bottom, and I'm going to be flash curing it for about, well, that's not a flash cure, but I'm curing it for 3 minutes for each color. And I'm doing this because I've done this before, this project once before, and I just dumped all of the resin in there and it did not cure all the way through. And if you see that you have any bubbles, go ahead and use a lighter to pop them out. Alright, so here I am making the last one and curing it for 3 minutes, and then I'm adding glitter into the leftover UV resin that I have, and then we're going to put that on top. Well, the back, whatever, you know what I mean. And then after that, you're going to do a full cure, and I like to do it for around like 10 minutes, but you don't really have to do it for that long. This UV resin is actually really good. If you would like for me to do a video on it, I definitely can do that. So from here, you're just sanding down all the extra edges, and then you are going to go ahead and get your clear film ready and go ahead and draw the shape and cut it out. And then you're going to glue it on there. Actually, add in your beads first, and then go ahead and glue on your film. After you put on your film, go ahead and flash cure that for about 3 minutes, maybe a minute. It doesn't really matter. It does matter, but anyway. And then if you're going to add a sticker, now would be the right time to do that. And after you put on your sticker, go ahead and dome the front. And after you're done doming it, go ahead and cure it for 7 minutes. So off screen, I already added the bail, the glue-on bail, and now I'm just adding UV resin to dome the back as well. But after you go ahead and cure that for 7 minutes, you go ahead and add your chain, and you're done. And it's so cute, it's so cute. So if you like the video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe if you would like to see more. I hope y'all have a good day. I love you. Bye-bye.